Welcome, in front of me I have Panasonic TV, and today I'll show you how you can activate voice guidance for your browser. So you have to tap on the menu button on the remote control. Next you have to go for the sound mode, so use your arrows on the remote control, click OK to enter. Next you have to scroll down and find the voice guidance settings, click OK. You have to scroll down to the web browser and then just turn it on. And as you can see, it was very simple, and of course you have to activate this feature right here at the first position on the voice guidance line. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.